Morning, Lewis. Where are we off to today on this vlog?
Flying.
Flying? No, we're not flying. We're going to Airshow in Southport. And who are we going with? Odin's here again. Hi, Odin. You alright, mate? You looking forward to it? Your first airshow? We thought we'd start off with a Mackie D's breakfast. Right, see you in a bit.
Yesterday you said it was there.
That looks like this green one here. Yeah. You go down, it's like each step.
Wow. How smart do you look? What have you got, Lewis? You alright, Grandma? Let's have a look.
Half price of 20, the rest are free. That's your 2 full sets for you, okay? Now, I think...
Here going to a nose-splitting 3 minus 3G negative.
Here it comes, Lewis. Yeah, it looks like it's going very quick, so it must be rushing. Russian. Lewis said, is it Russian? I said, yeah, it's going very quick, so it must be rushing.
Oh dear.
Lots of accent, he's just warming up, I can assure you. This is the most outstanding little machine. Something very amazing, Skelton. Refer to her aircraft as a thinker. And if you're over in Washington, you can see that appropriately in an upside down position, going into the Dallas Airport. But these went on famously, especially through the 70s as well. Names such as Brian the Conqueror and
You're an idiot, Mr. Murgatroyd. You're a mucky pup. Having fun, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, you enjoying it, Lewis? so enthusiastic. This is why we set up this YouTube channel, isn't it? For all your enthusiastic comments on life. You enjoying it, Grandma?
Yes, I'm having a lovely day, thank you.
There you go.
Yes, I can't wait for the red arrows.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing these coming in a minute. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Done.
Doing his best, and what he loves flying is keeping it really close in to the public area. You'll see him waving now and again, so do similar back with him, give him a nod. Putting around 9 times the force of gravity as they execute the crossfire brake. We're now getting ready to see blade 1 come in from our right hand side and blade 4 come in from our left hand side. To your right is blade 1, he's at the again putting up at around 6 times the force of gravity into the vertical. Chopping the throttles for silence as they head back towards the beach. Now keep your eyes on the aircraft on the right hand side, this is blade 4. On comes the smoke as blades 1 and 4 draw a fabulous heart in the sky over Southport. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Blade Royal Majesty! Outstanding, absolutely superb there. What a welcome return to here. Blade 2, Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, Red 1 brings the formation to the right hand side. Red 1 this year is squad leader Tom Fold. Tom is in his 2nd year on the team. As the formation rolls to the left, to the right hand side, you'll see posted in Red 2 flight coach to Robin. As the team rolls to that, you can see the iconic shape of the Hawk aircraft. The Hawk has been in service with the Royal Air Force since 1976, and it's been with the Red Arrow since. Watch for the colour change as Red 1 brings the formation around to the right. As Reds 4 and 5 smoke blue and red respectively. Red 5 is Flight Attendant Dave Simmons. So is Simo. Simo is a former tornado pilot and also the United States Marine Corps. with an inverted V. Red 6 lining up. Get your cameras ready for the colourful double goose. Aircraft is fitting with a smoke pod. That smoke pod is capable of giving us 5 minutes off-white jacking. Corporal Adam Fletcher, our photographer, would like to dedicate today's heart to his wife Lauren and his daughters Bella and Sophie. And I would also like to dedicate today's heart to my cousin Billy, his partner Betty, their sons Josh and Ollie, and my good friends Rob and Sue. Together for the 2022 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows!